Engineered for extreme temperatures and flawless metallurgical performance. Built with an Inconel 670 inner pod for exceptional durability. Capable of reaching maximum temperatures up to 1,100 degrees Celsius. Controlled heating rate of 400 degrees Celsius per hour for precise heat treatment. Designed for efficient fuel consumption and optimized energy use. A robust combustion system ensures stable and consistent performance. Ideal for hardening and tempering applications. Built for reliable, long-term industrial operation.